How to use Klarna Pay in 4 installments option. Klarna's 4 installments feature helps split your payment into smaller chunks. When checking out, choose Pay in 4. Klarna will show the schedule, dividing the total cost into 4 equal payments. Approve the plan, and your first installment is charged immediately, while the rest are automatically scheduled. You can view or adjust upcoming installments anytime under the payment section. Make sure you have sufficient balance for the scheduled payments. Missing an installment may affect your credit score. Do you prefer pay later or pay in full? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Klarna Pay in 4 installments option. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.